What's up, YouTube? So I have day 3 or day 3500, I don't know, of lockdown, and I finally have time, Erie, to put on the Pinnacle shifter. Like I was saying guys before, Erie Indian actually gave me the Pinnacle shifter, and he's also giving me some shit for not getting it on there yet, but we're doing it right now. So for everybody out there who didn't think there was Pinnacle shifters for the Challenger, here it is, in black. Just doesn't come stock on the bike. Some people don't even like it, so I had to feel it out and see how it's gonna feel for me. So you can see right here, the peg's already got some Loctite on it. We're gonna get that on there, and we're gonna get it on the bike. In this quick video, where all my parts are right here. Get these out and get them sized. Now mounting this wise, everything's already done, everything's ready to go. The holes just don't have paint in them. You got 2 washers, 2 bolts, besides the one that's already there. I'm gonna throw a little bit of blue Loctite on these. Don't imagine it getting too much vibration, but better safe than sorry. Let's get it on there. Let's go. Go. You feed it through the back here with the washer. Like I said, this side's already got like a metal finish, smooth. There we go. Oh, I'm gonna lay down here with you guys. Erie, I should have had you come over and help me do this. I gotta get my kid to start doing this stuff. He's got small hands. Now I recommend doing this as much as you can with your finger, unless you got a decent socket set, which I thought I did until I started doing all the stuff on the bobber, and I don't think about it until I need it. There's not much wiggle room here. Next episode, Bearded Bobber goes and buys tools after the lockdown. Alright guys, we got the heel shifter on. It's good to go. Got in a ride with it. Still adjusting, trying to figure it out. Once I change my seat, that'll be the real difference on like if it's in my way or not. But as of right now, feels pretty good. Let's take a look at it. There you go guys, real clean look. Goes all the way to the back of the floorboard there. Time will tell if the new seat will mess with it or not. We'll have to find out. But right now it's cool, clean. Big thank you to Erie and the Indian. Check them out on Instagram. Alright guys, stay safe, stay classy.